Welcome, and thanks for taking the time to check out our video on the 12-inch Strider balance bike and its optional Strider rocking base, which converts the Strider balance bike into a rocking baby toy. I absolutely love these things. They keep the kiddo occupied, it teaches them general balance, and starts them early with learning about bikes and bike safety. Win, win, win. They do a great job with being able to assemble and ship these in a way that's very easy to finish putting together. For the most part, you just need to put the front end together. Don't forget the rubber washer and rubber spacer the first time like we did. And then onto the handlebars and the removable clamp. The clamp helps easily adjust the height of the handlebars when needed. For the on-the-fly height adjustments, you won't need any tools, but for getting it set up the first time, making sure everything is nice and tight and the way it needs to be, you will need to use the supplied Allen wrench. Make sure you take your time and have the handlebars and the front end both nice and straight before you tighten everything up. And then onto the rocking base. There are 5 main pieces to this, as well as the toolless pegs that hold it all together, and the 4 pieces that attach the bike to the base to keep it all as one. Snap the 2 sets of rocker panels together as shown, and then pop them into the underneath of the base. Carefully flip the base over, and then use the toolless pegs to keep everything in place and make it a little more permanent. Then we need to attach the 4 pieces that actually hold the balance bike onto the rocker. There are arrows on the base to show which is the front and which is the back. These attachment pieces slide into the pre-drilled holes and then click into place to lock them in. These covers on the rear wheel attachment brackets are what allow the bike to slide into place and then be locked into place. There's one on each side in the back, and in the front, the attachment brackets just have slide grooves in it for the front axle and the front axle nut. And don't forget to click the rear covers back into place to hold it all together safely. Alright, there it is, looking good. Wow, this thing is super clean. Baby Boston is going to be so excited.
Throw your leg up and over.
Good job, buddy.
Yeah. And then yeah. Oh, this is perfect. You ready? You can rock it a little, Stella.
He's rocking it by himself. I'm just holding it.
And you can let go.
What do you think, bud? What do you think? Yeah?
Yeah, these will spin like that.
Yeah!
Wow! I'm making it look cool with the wheels spinning.
Thanks for joining us. We really hope this would help at least a couple of people out. If you could do us a favor, smash that thumbs up on the way out. We'd really appreciate it.